Discover the Ally Building Solutions advantage. We offer a comprehensive range of products to meet all your home building needs. Flooring. We offer a variety of flooring options from top national suppliers including carpet, hardwood, LVP, natural stone, marble, and ceramic tile. Cabinets. We offer a beautiful and extensive selection of high-quality cabinets for kitchens, baths, and utility rooms with upgrade options available. Countertops. Our selection of exquisite granite and quartz countertops are fabricated and customized to the layouts of your kitchens, baths, and more. Appliances. We offer state-of-the-art appliances, including dishwashers, ranges, cooktops, washers, dryers, and more from the nation's leading suppliers. Specialties. We offer wire shelving solutions and install custom enclosures and mirrors. Window treatments. We offer a wide selection of stylish and functional window treatments to control light and privacy. Trim and doors. We offer custom trim and door solutions to meet your specific design preferences and architectural needs. Design studios. As one of the nation's leading providers of outsourced design studios, Ally Building Solutions will customize, personalize, staff, and manage your design studio while providing your buyers with a world-class experience in an inviting and stress-free environment. Built on 30-plus years of industry experience, we strive to deliver high-quality products, expert workmanship, and exceptional service in an efficient timeframe that meets your needs. With Ally Building Solutions by your side, you can increase efficiency, reduce cycle time, save money, and close your homes on time. By consolidating these essential products and services, we eliminate the need for builders to coordinate with multiple suppliers and contractors. This not only simplifies the process, but also ensures consistent quality and timely delivery. Our single point of contact philosophy, which bundles products and services, offers a distinct advantage for builders. We have locations throughout Florida, including Orlando, Tampa, Jacksonville, and Fort Myers. With Ally Building Solutions, you're not just another client. You're a valued partner on the path to building a brighter future for the communities you serve.